New 2024 Hyundai-Custin is a competitor to the Toyota Innova. Starts at 1,770,000 Cuban pesos. The Custin is Hyundai's new minivan to fill the gap between the small Stargazer and large Staria. Unlike the Korean carmaker's other vans which sport a one-box design, the Custin has a longer prominent hood and a front-end design which resembles that of its SUV siblings. Being a proper minivan, it has large rear sliding doors. The Custin has a 2+2+3 seating configuration. The GLS variant gets manual second-row captain seats, while the premium variant gets power second-row VIP captain seats with relaxation modes. Under the Custin's hood is a 1.5-liter turbocharged TGDI gasoline mill, which produces 168 horsepower and 253 Nm of torque. Power is sent to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. The 2024 Hyundai Custin has officially launched as the brand's entry into the local minivan market segment with two different variants, the top-spec Premium and the entry-level GLS. The all-new minivan is likewise positioned as the middle option between the smaller Stargazer MPV and the larger Staria. So what is this new Hyundai model offering as a people-moving vehicle? Let's find out by going over its specs. Exterior. Styling for the all-new 2024 Custin's front end deviates from the futuristic designs found on its Staria and Stargazer cousins. It does get a similar-looking grille to the current-gen Tucson, but its front fascia is more traditional-looking with a relatively flat hood and a pair of sharp LED headlamp clusters which are neatly integrated into its grille. Over to its side, one can see that it assumes the typical longish outline of a minivan. Visuals, however, are spiced up a bit thanks to squared-wheel fenders, subtle character lines, and a set of two-tone 17 or 18-inch wheels, among others. Typical to minivans, the all-new Hyundai model gets large sliding doors on both sides. These are power sliding doors and thus provide easier access to its interior. It likewise gets power folding and power adjustable side mirrors, a power panoramic sunroof, and chrome-garnished exterior door handles. The rear of the Custin mostly features smooth edges. This is contrasted by an eye-catching LED taillight, which wraps around the entire width of the vehicle. Accessing the trunk is likewise made effortless thanks to a power tailgate. Other exterior features present on this Hyundai include a rear wiper, auto light control for the main headlamps, an LED high-mount stop lamp, LED daytime running lamps, a tailgate spoiler, and a shark fin antenna. Size-wise, the 2024 Custin minivan is 4,950 mm long, 1,850 mm wide, and 1,710 mm in height. It also has a ground clearance of 174 mm and a wheelbase spanning 3,055 mm. Interior. Step inside the Custin and you'll be greeted by an interior with more than enough room for up to 7 occupants. Its interior is kept cool by an automatic climate control system with rear vents, and all of its seats are wrapped in leather. Up front, its cockpit is formed by a relatively flat dashboard combined with a flat-bottom leather steering wheel and a mostly black-colored center console that's angled towards the driver. Both seats on the front cabin also get power adjustability, Premium. Gear selection for the Custin is done via silver-colored buttons mounted on the center console. These controls sit beside the electronic parking brake, cup holders, and other driving-related buttons. The second row meanwhile are captain seats with a ventilated and heating function on the top-spec Premium trim. Both trims get a bench-type seat for their third rows, but only the Premium comes standard with rear curtains and foldable back seat tables. Technology and safety. Onboard entertainment for the 2024 Custin is provided by a 10.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system. Most notably, this screen is positioned to face the direction of the driver. For connectivity, the central touchscreen comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity. Keeping devices inside this minivan is done via a wireless smartphone charging pad, a 12-volt power outlet, or USB ports. Sound is fed into the minivan's cabin via a 6-piece, premium, or 4-piece, GLS, speaker system. Over the driver's side, a 4.2-inch TFT LCD instrument cluster is positioned just behind the wheel. Safety for this new Hyundai minivan is provided by what you'd expect on a modern vehicle. Its list of standard safety equipment includes anti-lock braking, a 360-degree view camera, parking sensors, ISOFIX child seat anchors, hill start assist, anti-lock braking, and electronic stability control, among others. It likewise gets a total of 6 airbags. Available on the top-of-the-line premium variant is an extensive advanced driver assist suite. This includes forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot collision avoidance, driver attention warning, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance, parking distance warning, and lane follow assist. Both the premium and GLS trims, however, do get cruise control. Engine.